Hello Aquarius, it's Priyam from Guidance. So it's your weekly card reading from 13th of June 2016 till 19th of June 2016. So the first card, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, weekend card, angel advice card and the challenge card. So here we go with the first card. Aquarius, don't just observe of what you have achieved after doing a lot of work. Maybe you are observing what I see, and stop criticizing yourself, and don't just keep looking at what you have. It is high time to move ahead, maybe. And if someone come to you and start criticizing you, take the lesson and move on. The best thing you can do, take the lesson, and move on. You don't have to give importance to your ego. If that person hurts the way he or she will criticize, it may hurt you, but ignore. Just take the lesson, you must. And don't criticize yourself, you don't do, and don't keep observing. So the next one, okay, too much of stress sometimes don't let us move on. Too much of worry, right? Too much of thinking about bad past events, or being around with too much negative people. You need some healing as well. And then you will have to get up and again take the initiative to work on it. You know it better, right? You need some healing and try to release all your stress. Get some good sleep, Aquarius. And balance your relationship, maybe with your, of course, with your partner, then with your colleagues, with your friends, with your siblings, with your boss. You need to balance. And I see this card as a positive, it indicates something really good, relationship, no matter who is your partner. Whether it is about your office colleague or about your friends, you need to balance. And it's a very positive outcome card, and angels are there with you. Okay, nice card. It's a weekend card. Are you planning to go for a date? Good one. And then this one, angels are advising you to do some long-term planning, right? I think you need to change. You need a change. Take a trip, or else do something other than what you have been doing, and make it as your something permanent, long term. I think you are planning for some business. Then you must go ahead. Angels are advising you to move ahead with something which will benefit you in future. So please do it. If you are thinking for starting a new business, or maybe planning to shift permanently to other city, or your job, anything, think about long term. Think about it in long term, right? The challenge card says, okay, stand for what you believe in. Firstly, have faith in yourself. Secondly, you need to stand for it. Take a stand for yourself, for your beliefs. Don't let people take your decisions. Okay, and don't let anyone take you for granted. I've been telling my friends, I've been telling this same thing to most of my clients. I don't know, the same cards are coming. People are taking others so for granted. Please don't take them let them take you for granted, and take a stand for yourself. Put more effort on what you are looking for. Little more effort. You will get success. And cards are really very nice. Rest for some time and release all the negative energies, and set boundary line from negative people, no matter how close they are. Take some space, and release fear or stress, or don't do overthinking. Try to do something else other than what you are doing constantly for a while, and don't criticize yourself, right? So cards are really nice, Aquarius. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please do subscribe, and I will be back with your next weekly card reading very soon. Till then, please do take care. Okay, bye bye.